Blac Chyna.
Also
She's
complicated, very complicated. When it comes to her arrest in Texas, you know, we told you about the getting hauled off the plane. She called a flight attendant nastiest bitch, but more importantly, the cops say she had 2 pills of ecstasy on her in her sunglasses case.
We know what her defense is going to be, and what it is kind of a normal one. It's not my drugs, which I think is used a lot, but her explanation for this and what she's telling friends is unbelievable. So the 2 pills they found are actually compressed ecstasy with like an imprint on them. And you know, I don't know, I would say 5 years ago, let's say, it was very popular in the club scene and DJs, people take it and listen to it. Now, the powder form of that drug, MDMA, they call it Molly, is more popular, and it is harder to find that kind of drug. So one of her defenses is going to be, who has those kind of pills now? Like what? Like even if I wanted to buy this, it would be very hard to find.
In the San Fernando Valley, the defense would be, that is so 2012.
Yeah, that's right. Like right now, it would be hard to go out and find that specific drug. So the other part of the defense, just so you guys know what it is, Blac Chyna, which I believe has assistants pack her bags, people pack all of her stuff for the club. She's got a bunch of luggage, and it just so happens that her normal people that are there are not there because Rob now lives at the house, and so some of the people that were there every day are now not there. So she's not going to snitch on who packed the bag.
Well, wait a minute. So she's saying that somebody framed her?
else packed the bag, and the sunglasses case
that was
in there is not even her sunglasses.
So she didn't know there was ecstasy in the sunglasses.
That's right. And even further, it wasn't her sunglasses. So it was somebody else's case that was packed by somebody else.
That's a better argument if you picked up the wrong sunglasses case and it was someone, you thought it was yours, but it was someone else's sunglasses.
Not necessarily saying that.
I should be her
words,
lawyer.
whatever sunglasses case was packed by somebody else, it's not hers.
What up? This is Mike G from East LA, and I call BS on this whole thing. Look, if it's your bags and you got drugs in there, you're guilty. I hope they lock up this bag of STDs. I'm not buying it for a second.
Oh my God. Wow.
Mike, that was...
wow.
That was inappropriate, sir.
It would be a little bit too far there, man.
That's his opinion, but look, it's...
Okay.
No.